riverside. The water sparkled, the breeze was cool. The bear found a spot by a shaded pool. He cast his line with a gentle throw and watched it ripple in the stream below. The fish were clever, they swam with care, but patience is key for a fishing bear. He hummed a tune as the hours passed, until at last a tug on his cast. With a mighty pull and a joyful cheer, the bear caught a fish, his prize was clear. He thanked the river, the trees and the sky for a perfect day as the sun climbed high. Home he went with his fish in tow, through the forest paths where wildflowers grow. And every time he thinks of the stream, the bear smiles wide, it feels like a dream. The water sparkled, the breeze was cool. The bear found a spot by a shaded pool. He cast his line with a gentle throw and watched it ripple in the stream below. And watched it ripple in the stream below. With a mighty pull and a joyful cheer, the patience is key for a fishing bear. He hummed a tune as the hours passed, until at last a tug on his cast. With a mighty pull and a joyful cheer, the bear caught a fish, his prize was clear. He thanked the river, the trees and the sky for a perfect day as the sun climbed high. Homie,